لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
أم لم يعرفوا رسولهم فهم له منكرون. Yani, is it that they didn't know their messenger? They didn't know the Prophet ﷺ? They didn't know his character and his manners and his excellence and his truthfulness and his charitableness and humility, that they didn't know this? Is it that they didn't know this? فهم له منكرون, and therefore they denied him, yani, because they didn't really know him. Maybe if somebody didn't know the goodness of somebody, they might tell him, get out of here. But if they really knew that person, they wouldn't be able to reject him. The Shaykh, he says, concerning this ayat, is it that they didn't know their messenger and therefore they denied him? He said, meaning that knowing the messenger ﷺ is the greatest invitation, call to al-Emaan, concerning the one who didn't already believe. As far as the one who already believed, then knowing the Prophet ﷺ, knowing the character of the Messenger ﷺ, and his manners and his qualities and characteristics and the way that he dealt with the people, this will be a cause of increasing that person in Emaan. And this is because knowing that it is because the character of the Prophet ﷺ, if a person becomes acquainted with it, this will cause them to be increased in their love for him, and also their recognition of his status and his station and his position, his value, his worth, if a person knows about him. So if a person actually realizes this, meaning they come to know about the character of the Prophet ﷺ, which caused them to have an increase in love for him and recognition of his worth and his status and his station and his position, if that happened, that the person was increased in their love and their acquaintance with his true worth and value, if this was achieved, then their following of him and their sticking to his way would also be magnified. And it would cause that person to follow him more and to follow his way. And this following him, اتباع الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم ولزوم نهجه, this is a means of increase of Emaan. Because everything that we say and everything that we do of good, it is a means of increase of Emaan. Here the Shaykh says, there are many people whose Emaan has some weakness in it. That's most of us, right? I don't want to say all of us because somebody might be offended, but otherwise I would say all of us. But in any case, there are many people who have weakness in their Emaan. But if that person came to know more about the character of the Messenger of Allah ﷺ and his manners, his noble manners, and his magnificent characteristics, that person would be increased in Emaan. And this is one of the purposes of this course, that we know more about the character of the Prophet and his manners and his characteristics, because the person who knows more about his character, if they have Emaan, this will increase their Emaan.